Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can remove threads from Instagram bio. So keep watching till the end, and let's get started. First things first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page or the timeline page of your account. Now, tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and your profile page will be displayed. Here, you can see the Threads badge is available beneath my profile. In order to remove it, we could just tap on it and remove it. But due to the recent updates, if you tap on the Threads button, you will be redirected to your Threads profile. So, how to remove it? Simply tap on the Edit Profile button, scroll down a little bit, and you can see that there is a toggle slider present. Just disable the slider and your badge will be removed. In order to bring it back, toggle it back on, and that's it. That's how you can remove threads from Instagram bio. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.